Morning, girl. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Good morning, you too. Hey there, 276. Look at what you're doing. You're giving milk today. And that's a good thing. Hey, little kitty. Hey, yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Yeah. Hey, Casey. Yeah. Hey everybody, this is Organic Dairyman and welcome to my channel today. Today is Friday, October 18th, and what a beautiful day it is today. It is just nice and gorgeous, but don't be fooled. Some nice weather isn't going to last long. Well, we're supposed to get some rain, I think, I don't know, maybe Sunday night, Sunday afternoon or something like that. But, well, I guess it is what it is. But. So, what are we going to be up here today? Well, what are we going to be all doing today? And what am I up to right now? Right now I am just loading some hay to the feeder wagon for the dry cows. And as soon as I get done with this job, I gotta go put that cover back on that well pit thing there, because we didn't get that done yesterday. And what else are we doing? Well, we're gonna try to work on getting the combine ready for beans, and if we get time, maybe combine a little beans, but we'll see. But I gotta do a little bit to that thing. I gotta get the dummy head off, just switch a few things over and just do a little bit of greasing, and that'll be ready to go. And we gotta check in the bin that we're gonna put them in and make sure that that's all cleaned out. We're not gonna put them in the hopper bottom bin this year because we're just gonna put them in another bin that we have over there by the dry cow shed. It's got an airflow in it, obviously, so it holds more than that hopper bottom does, so that's why we want to do that. But, so we're gonna work at that. We're gonna work at that today. Get ready and see how much we can get done. Maybe we can get done around the field today. We'll see. But it is drying. It's dry out, so I'm sure the beans got to be ready to go. I know there's a lot of other guys that I think that have switched from corn to beans, because if you didn't switch, if you're not doing your beans right now, well, you better be on them, because this weather is nice, and at least around here it is anyways. But so yep, we'll see what happens here and what we get done, and see if we get any beans combined or not today. But we're gonna keep plugging away. Oil looks good. this thing covered up for another year. This will sit underneath this egg bag plastic for another year until we need to use it again. That's a nice little spot. Make use of that plastic. When you don't have shed space, that's what you do. So, I'm gonna get this combine up in the yard and start working on it, getting ready for soybeans. To move the chopper tractor because the milkman's coming and he's got to get his tanker in here. So I'm trying to back this up without backing into anything important. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Emergency brake doesn't work, so got to put that on there or behind the wheel. Okay, what am I gonna do first here? Well, the first thing that I'm gonna do is well, I should explain this if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen this. Is usually what we do when we do soybeans. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but we take out, see how this is divided into sections. There's section there, and then there's the forward section. So what we do is this section here, we take out all the small wires. This section over here, we take out every other one, and this one we leave in all the small wires. We do this on both sides. The reason why we do this is because it does a better job of cleaning the beans, and it just works. That's why we do it. And we've done it the last few years, and the beans have turned out great. But the idea is that it gets less aggressive the further back it goes. But it just helps to make the beans cleaner, so less stuff falls through. Obviously, you gotta adjust, your stuff back here. We gotta adjust the sieves and everything. Let's see, I gotta adjust that up too. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't have to change the speed on the chopper. Gotta clean that straw off and clean these things out. There's crap that gets down in there. The same way with this one. Get all that crap out of there. So I'm gonna get busy with this machine and get it ready for beans. Okay, everybody, I just want to show you again what this looks like now. With them out, you can see the ones that are out and every other one, and then like that. Like I say, it's just made so it gets less and less aggressive, or less and less aggressive. And it goes back there. But that's how you're supposed to do it on these if you want good quality beans. I know it's more work because then when you do corn you got to go back and take out the rest, but you get paid for your work. If your beans are nice and clean, you get paid for that. Well, one of the remaining things to do, it's not the last thing to do, but I gotta set the chaffer and the sieves, and I think I'm gonna take a picture of this. Oh, beans, soybeans, but I don't know what to set it at. I don't remember. Well, there's two ways you could do it. If you set it the Marion Calmer way, or you could just set it the way the book does. Usually, like for corn, I'll set it the way that Marion Calmer. If you don't, check out his Calmer corn heads. Go into YouTube and type in Calmer corn heads, and you'll come up with his channel. And he tells you how to set it. You can set soybeans the way that he says to do it. I'm just going to set the way the combine does, but usually with corn I always do it the way that he sets it for corn. But yeah, you'll have to check out his channel. It's supposed to do a better job, but let me just snap a picture of this. Soybeans, initial settings for different concave. Soybeans. Okay, so yeah, I found the page here that I'm looking for. Concave 8 to 10, or normal. Cleaning speed, fan speed 50, 3 to 8, 2 1. Cleaning sieve 8. The best thing to do this is to get a 3/8 bolt or a 5/8 bolt, and then you kind of gauge in between the same way here, 1 1/8 or 3/8. Then it says here, settings apply to 1 5/8 spacing corn chaffer and cleaning sieve. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go back behind the combine and get that set, so that way that's ready to go. Okay, I'm in the back of the combine, and I'm going to set the chaffer. I got some bolts here. I got 5/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/8. So we want it, I don't know, somewhere in between. That's too fat. This is a 3/8. So I'm just gonna gauge it. It can be between 3/8 and yeah, I'm gonna call that good. Because you don't want it too much, because you don't want to get you don't want to get garbage down in there. But and so I got this, the front part of the chaffer. I got to get the back part of the chaffer set. Maybe I should just check and see what it looks like. Not too bad. I might just actually leave that right there, but then I got to get to the sieve, which is down underneath there, and you can't really see it. It's down there. But yeah, I got to clean some stuff out up there yet too. All those sunflowers got caught in the grate up there. The final thing up there, the straw beater thing. But yeah. land speed is set. You know, I'll have to adjust that accordingly, probably out in the field, but it's set about 850. It's not set at the top, but it's kind of almost there. The rotor speed is 850. It says you could do 900. I've run it at 1,000. It's gonna be a thing where you're just gonna have to fine tune it in the field. But and I got the concave set, concave clearance set at 9. So I guess, as far as I know, the combine's ready to go. The only thing left to do here is to vacuum it out a little bit. And I think which I'm going to do here shortly, or soon. I'm just going to do that here right now, and then I'll finish up this video here, or get back with you and finish up the video. Okay, I'm out here in the machine shed. The only thing left to do is to do some greasing on here. There isn't much to grease. I need to check over all the sections on here, the guards and sections, and so far they look good. That one's got a little nick out of it, but it's not bad. That one's getting a little worn down, but it's not shot. That one's got a chip, but that will still work. A bird canucci in there. Ah, darn birds. Yeah, other than that, the sections and the guards all look good. They're not too wore. So I guess there's just a little bit of stuff. There's a few things to grease there, and the reel, and yeah, so we'll have to get this thing pulled out tomorrow. It won't take much. Just gotta move the feed grinder. Ooh, well, I guess you don't necessarily have to move. Oh boy, we're gonna have to move. Are we going to? No, we don't have to move this. Just gotta have somebody stand here and hold this thing up. Yeah, I think we get it out without moving anything. You don't even have to move this. But I don't know if there was one of these things that had something missing on it. No, that's in there. I think everything's there. So just to grease it up, lube up the chains. I gotta grease that up. So yeah, let me shut this light off so I don't blind you guys. So yeah, we just get the flex head out tomorrow. It's on the trailer, so we could just just pull it down. We're gonna have to take the long way around because that one road is still underwater yet. I don't know if I want to take it through there, so I'll take it down the highway. What are we gonna do? Yeah, oh, that's right. I don't say we could take it down the field road and take it down to the hay field down there, and that's probably what we'll do. We'll just drive down the field road. Yep. So, anyways, guys, that is it for today. I still got to finish loading the feed wagon for the cows, but first I got to eat something because we had to drop a new ration for the feed cow or for the milk cows. We got them on. We're going to switch them over to second cut hay with a higher protein in it. So yeah, so it's time to get the cows switched over to better quality hay. So that's why I haven't loaded the feeder wagon, because we had to wait for a nutritionist to email the feed ration to us. So we got the ration for the cows. Now after I eat something, I'm going to come back out and load it. So tomorrow we'll see if we get some soybeans combined, because they're talking rain, I believe. I don't know, sometime Sunday evening maybe. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. Hopefully the rain holds off longer, but we got to get started on beans. It has to get done. Oh, and we're gonna put the beans. Yeah, I think I told you. We're gonna put them in that bin. That bin is basically ready to go. We just gotta put the thing in there, and they'll be good to go. I need to get weed eated around those bins too, but it's just That's the bin we're gonna put the beans in. And yeah, I just don't want it to rain anymore because it just like things, the later it gets, the longer it takes for things to dry out. There's always mud out in front of the shed here. It's hardly, things are hardly dried out this summer. It's like there's never, it's maybe been for 2 days that something's actually been dry, and then it rains and it gets wet again. It's just been constant mud all summer pretty much. Never dry long enough to really get it all dried up. But oh well. But anyways, that's it. I gotta go. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. And please also hit that subscribe button. Tell all your friends and family to subscribe to my channel. Please share my video with a friend or family member. And if you have any questions, drop it right down there in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get it answered in a timely manner. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And that's it. So have a good evening. Take care, and I'll catch you later. Ooh, what's this? What is this? I can get it open. Ooh, would you look at this? The Hero 8. This came for me today, I guess. This is gonna be nice. We'll see how this camera does.